Hola, hola, mis amigos. Welcome, welcome. So we're just continuing on with our tour here in this awesome little neighborhood, the oldest neighborhood in Mexico, Coyoacan. We just did a little trolley tour. Now we're gonna walk around and wait to go to the museum here in another hour. This is a pretty touristy destination, that's for sure. Lots of tourists. As you can see, I think you would have to stand in line for half an hour to get a picture in front of the sign. And it's not even a weekend, I mean it's Tuesday at 12:34. Well, be sure to go back and check out the video of our little trolley tour, my friends. The other video, we went inside the church. I've seen a lot of rental signs and for sale signs, but more rent signs, a lot of rental signs. Our friend was living over here for a while. She just moved to another area, so we're supposed to meet up with her at some point. Not sure when. Alright guys, we're gonna slowly make our way over to the Frida Museum. You might as well come along. Thanks again for joining us today. We really appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoy our content. Jennifer and I and LCC really enjoy making these videos for you guys. Oh look, there's nobody here. Wow. It's all cleared up.
I'm all ready.
All right, she's all ready, she says. Yeah, what a beautiful area. I'm gonna go over here, babe. Check out the bright yellow building. Jen wants to go to a market over there. Oh, I see you down through there. Okay. We could quickly walk through there. I think that's kind of the way we have to go to the museum anyway. Yeah, you could spend a frickin' year here and not see it all in Mexico City. Such a beautiful area. You notice, like, just walking around, and we did that little trolley tour. If you lived here in this neighborhood, it would almost be like living in a small little town, you know, if you didn't leave your little bubble, right? Yeah, I saw a lot of rental properties, that's for sure. When we were on that trolley tour, I bet you I counted, oh, at least over a dozen of them. Lots of gringos here. And there's a lot of local tourists too. Like, I've seen a lot of local tourists.
Less traffic in this neighborhood for sure.
Yeah.
After the Aztec capital was destroyed, Cortez remained in Coyoacan and made it the first capital of New Spain from 1521 to 1523. During the colonial period, the village remained independent of Mexico, separated by farmland and lakes, filled with haciendas and monasteries.
There's bathrooms.
Daniel, sanitario. We both beeline it to the sanitario. 7 pesos. 1 peso more than the other place. Yeah, nice. I do believe we gotta go this way, but we'll double check on the map here. All right, guys, we just left a little market there. Quick little tour. Make our way over to the museum now. It's only like a 6-minute walk, so it's not too terribly far. We'll be there in no time. Let's do a little sightseeing while we're on our way. Yeah, this is a pretty nice area. I'm curious what you would pay for rent over here. You get into these areas and it's almost like a little town inside of Mexico City, you know, like a little pueblo inside of Mexico City. This really has a real Pueblo Magico vibe to it here. Okay, so this is actually called a Barrio Mágico, so a magical neighborhood. Barrio is neighborhood. Barrio, sorry. Pardon. Barrio. Get it right, would you? Oh, you can even see some high rises here. Londres, turn right on Londres. So we're almost there. Jen's bossing me around again. Now we're gonna jaywalk in the middle of the road. So this is it. And my battery just popped out of my GoPro trying to pull it out. I pulled the top off the battery, switching the batteries out. Always something. Gotta invest in a pair of tweezers. I was able to pop it out though, so we got 2 lineups here.
You only got more than that.
Oh yeah.
Line 115, so they haven't even started lining up 130 yet.
Oh, 130. So this is the 115 and the 130 one's down over here, I guess. So they got 3 different lineups. I didn't even see the sign where it says 1:30. Well, this is it anyway, guys. I'll wait to go inside. She's a popular location for sure. Okay. I got a 86 my hat here.
English.
Welcome. To start, you need to go straight ahead and then up the ramp.
Okay.
Thank you.
The umbrella, you need to put it into some bag, please.
Sure.
Or
Sí.
leave it at the club.
No, have a bag.
Excellent.
Gracias.
Thank you. Hola, bienvenidos.
Hola, ¿cómo está?
¿Está bien?
Inglés sería mejor que inglés. Nada más que.
Ooh, she's warm standing in that sun, chicos. Oh, she was hot. Hot, hot, hot. Very, very hot. Cece's happy to be out of the pen there.
To the right.
Yeah, she said go up the ramp to start. Ooh.
She was the daughter of a German Jewish photographer. She also had polio as a child, and at 18 she suffered a serious bus accident. She subsequently underwent some 35 operations. During her recovery, she taught herself to paint. She is noted for her intense self-portraits, many reflecting her physical ordeal.
Alright guys, they didn't allow us to videotape inside the Frida Museum.
So we hope you enjoyed the little slideshow that we put together for you guys. Well, our friends, that concludes our little walking tour today. We really hope you guys enjoyed it. We enjoyed having you guys here with us. Be sure to give us a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. That would be greatly appreciated. And God bless everybody out there. Peace on earth. And of course, and as always, be kind to one another. Hasta luego.